Welcome to our captivating video tutorial on Excel tasks automation using AI. Get ready to unlock the secrets of time-saving automation that will revolutionize your Excel experience. Imagine effortlessly breezing through your daily Excel tasks with the power of artificial intelligence. Say goodbye to tedious manual processes and hello to increased productivity and efficiency. In this course, we won't just tell you how to automate your tasks, we'll show you step by step, ensuring that you grasp the concepts effectively. Brace yourself for real-life examples and captivating demonstrations of slices and pivot tables that will take your data analysis skills to pro-level status. But that's not all. We have carefully crafted 2 exclusive bonuses for you. With our collection of 100 Excel predefined templates, you'll have a treasure trove of automation possibilities at your fingertips. These templates will transform the way you work, streamlining your processes and boosting your productivity. And as if that wasn't enough, we're also providing you with an Excel AI automation step-by-step PDF guide. This comprehensive resource will lead you through the automation process with detailed instructions, equipping you with the knowledge to leverage AI tools effectively. By mastering Excel, you'll gain a competitive edge in today's data-driven world. From financial analysis to project management, from inventory tracking to budgeting, Excel serves as your reliable companion, simplifying complex tasks and delivering tangible results. So, are you ready to embark on a transformative journey? Imagine saving at least 3 hours every day by implementing these cutting-edge techniques. Just think of the impact it will have on your productivity and efficiency. Don't miss out on this opportunity to become an Excel AI automation expert. Download the course materials now and kickstart your journey towards a more streamlined and efficient data analysis workflow. The future of Excel is here. It's time for you to seize it. Get started today.